Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how to add a free VPN to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. No third-party app will be used in this video. Just follow each and every step. So let's start. The first step is to copy the link that I have given in the pinned comment. Just click on that link. After you click on that link, open that link. This type of interface will appear. You can see that this is a VPN provider website and there are lots of VPN server name and addresses here. Now we have to know what does VPN do. The purpose of VPN is to change our IP. For example, if I search what is my IP, it will show me my IP. Look, my IP is somewhat this type. Now VPN will change this IP. Now I will show you how to set it. Just type on setting in search bar. In the setting there will be option network and internet. This option will also be on Windows 11. Now in the networks and internet, open VPN and add a VPN network. Now set the VPN providers to Windows, connection name to free VPN as you wish. And server name or address will be provided by the website. You can copy it from there. Just like I am copying. There it is. Any server you can select. Just copy this address and paste it there. And VPN type will be SSTP as it is mentioned in the website. I will show you. There it is. It is also mentioned above. Now set the type of sign-in info to username and password. And username and password will be provided by the website. You can see that there. There it is. Server username is VPN and password is also VPN. Just set it to this. Also remember my sign-in info. Check this option so that you don't have to re-enter it. Now connect to the VPN. Once I am connected to VPN, I will show you that my IP is changed. Just I will reload that website. And you will see that my IP is totally changed. This means our VPN is working. So this was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and thumbs up for the video. Make sure it will be helpful.